One of the misconceptions about day trading that I hear all the time is people think that the barrier of entry is too expensive, but it's not. See, there is something called zero DTEs, which means 0 days till expiration, which means that the contracts that you buy, they expire the same day, that you can get on average for a good price between $50 and $80 every single day. So you can risk $50 to $80 every day, and they're same day contracts, so when they hit hard. You can literally make 300-400% a day. Turn $80 into $300-400. When the market is on a trend day, when the market is moving in one direction, you can easily make 300-400% off of your $60 to $80, which beats buying a sack of weed or a bottle of your favorite liquor, or saving money up to get some shoes. Take some shots.